Welcome to Safety Moment with Nthabie, building a culture of safety. My name is Nthabie Majafe, and I am commonly known as Nthabie, hence the name Safety Moment with Nthabie. I am super excited to be sharing with you a bit of my safety knowledge using social media platforms. What inspired the show Safety Moment with Nthabie? Where do I begin? One, I am a safety practitioner. I've been practicing for a number of years now. Safety is not a job for me. It is a passion. If you know me, for those who know me, they know that I am everything safety. I live, I eat, I breathe safety. That's what I'm about. The other thing is I've actually seen and I've heard of incidents that occurred that could have been prevented. One thing that we know as safety practitioners is that all incidents are caused. They don't just happen. They can be caused by our unsafe acts or unsafe conditions. But that's a topic on its own, and be on the lookout for that one. The other thing that inspired the show is I actually have a show on Duma FM that is hosted by Mr. Kosti Moloi. Thank you so much, Kosti. Thank you so much, Duma FM. We talk everything safety. So every Wednesday when we talk safety, one of the things that have been literally haunting me and coming to me is that, we're not able to answer people, we're not able to chat with Botswana. So I figured, why not create a platform where I'm able to discuss safety issues with Botswana. The other thing is that, almost 11 years now, I lost my dad to an occupational disease, silicosis. It could have been prevented. Now, the reason I'm having this show is so that, nobody loses their parent due to an occupational illness or an occupational injury. What am I hoping to achieve by doing this? By doing this show, we're going to be doing this on a weekly basis, by the way. One of the things that I would like for organizations to recognize is that, your number one asset is your employee, and you need to be able to prioritize their health and safety, because if you prioritize their health and safety, you'll be able to have a positive safety culture, and you'll be able to prevent workplace incidents, and you'll be able to understand that you actually have a moral obligation as an employer to take care of the health and safety of your employees. What should you be on the lookout for? There's a number of topics that we're going to be discussing. So be on the lookout for topics like hazard analysis, hazard identification. Actually, it's hazard identification and risk analysis. Also be on the lookout for noise-induced hearing loss. How do you prevent of it? Emergency preparedness planning. As an organization, as an employer, as employees, are you aware of what emergencies could occur? If they were to occur, what is it that you're going to do? Do you have those emergency drills? Do you have an updated roll call register? Things like that. The other thing to be on the lookout for is personal protective equipment. Have you ever walked into an organization and actually found people wearing a piece of equipment and they're not even sure why they are wearing that piece of equipment? One of the things that I know is quite interesting is that, and that most people don't even know about, is that a hard hat, a helmet, actually has an expiry date. So be on the lookout for that. We'll actually teach you and show you how to tell the expiry date of your hard hat. I like this topic very much. Anglo-America has what they call fatal risk control standards. These standards, if you follow them, you'll be able to prevent fatalities and serious incidents from occurring. Fire extinguishers, are we able to use those? Some of us have fire extinguishers in our vehicles, in our homes, in our workplaces. Do we know that there are different types and what they're used for? So be on the lookout for those shows. There's quite a lot that we're going to be talking about. But once again, I am super, super excited that I've been able to do this and that we'll be doing this on a weekly basis. From me, Nthabie Majafe, the rest of Safety Moment with Nthabie, have a good and safe day. Bye.